Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another AI coding agent and its name is Ager. The name is Ager and here you see that in my terminal I am already using it and it has this chat mode, it has this agent mode and it has this edit mode and also more features. So here you see with the help of this edit feature you can start edit your existing files. With the help of this agent mode you can create an agent session and you can perform any type of coding task, like you can create new folder or you can create any new features. Anything you want to do you can do that. Okay, and with the help of this chat feature you can actually interact with your code base. Like if you have a new code base, then you can ask this agent mode that please explain me this code base or what this component is doing, how this component is performing this operation. Okay, like this you can interact with your code base through the terminal. Okay, and I will show you the full setup in this video, so stay with me till the end. And here you see that what they have mentioned, with the help of agent mode you can perform these things: describe what you want to build and the agent will generate code and list files it plans to create. You can view the full LLM response if needed. You will be asked to confirm each file creation, means in case of Cline or code, or in case of Cursor, Windsurf, we have seen that after doing the each step, they ask for the approve or to accept or reject, right? Here also you will be asked to confirm each step. And here you see the agent checks for existing files and handle directories automatically, means if you want to create any file, agent will check that if that file already exists or not. If it already exists, then it will not create, it will override or it will add the new feature. But if doesn't exist, then it will create the new directory or new file. Okay, and here you see after file creation you can run executable files directly. So all of these things you can do. Now how to do the setup? So for that I have given this repository link in the description. Go there and come to this page, and after that scroll down below, and here you see that prerequisites Python 3.6. So for that go to Python, means go to Google and search for Python download. Okay, Python download, and according to your operating system you please download it. I am currently on Windows, so I am downloading this Python 3.13. so the requirement is Python 3.6. now the latest available is Python 3.13, so let's download it. And the process is simple: next, next, next. Okay, now after that you have to install this Olama. So for that go to this website olama.com, and there you will find this option that download, and here according to operating system download it. Here also the process is same: next, next, next. It will be automatically downloaded. Now after that next process is the language models that is available in Olama. You have to download that which you want to use. Okay, suppose for this video purpose I want to use this deep coder, because some days ago I made a video on this deep coder that it has a capability like the O3 mini level. Here you see deep coder is a fully open source 14 billion coder model at O3 mini level. O3 mini means I am talking about the OpenAI O3 mini. Okay, OpenAI O3 mini is not free, but here you see that deep coder has the same capability like the OpenAI O3 mini. Okay, and also if I show you one post, this is the post that is done by this Together AI. Here you see that this deep coder is here, this blue color, and this on the right hand side O1 is here and O3 mini is here, O3 mini low. So that means this deep coder has a better capability than the OpenAI O1. So that's why I am interested to go with this deep coder, because it can give us the same performance like the OpenAI O3 and it is completely free, guys. Okay, so what you can do that you can go to this Olama and search for this deep coder and you can install it. Currently I am using this 14 billion. It is around 9 GB. So I am going to my terminal. Here you see that I have pasted this Olama run deepseek coder 14 billion. And not only the deep coder, if you want to use any other models, then also you can use that. But remember one thing, that should have the tool calling ability. Okay, Okay, so let's move to our next step. Okay, so works based with the decoder they have also mentioned. Now the installation process, clone this repository. So copy this command git clone, okay, and open up your terminal, and here paste it and press enter. Now after that a folder will be created. Let me show you that folder. Here you see that this Ager folder will be created, and go to this inside Ager, okay, cd Ager you have to type. Now after that there are three options they have given, pip install and Windows batch file and PowerShell, but my recommendation is to go with this pip install -e. And remember one thing, that they have also given one dot here, okay, so don't miss this dot. So copy this whole comment from here, and just go to your terminal, and just press that, means here just paste that pip install -e dot, okay. Now press enter. Now it will install all of the things that is required to run the Azure, okay. So after that only this Azure will be available for this terminal for any kind of code base, okay. Now I have my personal code base. So here you see that this is the React code base, this OTP login component, one project, and inside this project, what I will do, I will open one terminal. Inside this terminal I will run one command, and here you see that they have given this usage. Under this usage there is a basic commands. So if I write Azure -h, then it will show you the all of the information. So let me try that. So Azure -h. So if I write only Azure -h, maybe you will get the error. Let me show you that. Here you see that maybe you will get this error that the term Azure is not recognized as the name of the CMD late. So for that, what I have to do, just write Python -m, and after that write Azure -h, okay. So here you see that now it is working. If you get this type of error that the term Azure is not recognized, then only you please try with Python -m, after that Azure -h. Now here you see that it is telling me that to go with the agent mode you can use this -- agent, and if you want to go with this edit you can use this edit, or for the chat this -- chat. Now if you want to use the model that you have installed, like I have installed this decoder, right? Now for that, here you see that you have to mention that -- model and that model name. It is very simple guys, it is not that complex. Like if you want to use this llama 3.1, just mention that Azure -- model and llama 3.1 8b. And if you want to go with the chat mode, then provide this -- chat, or if you want to go with this agent mode, provide the -- agent. They have mentioned all of these things guys, okay. So let me show you that. See here, I want to go for this agent mode with this decoder, so I am copying this. By the way, I will also show you that how to use it with the Gemini, so let's wait for a bit, okay. Now let me paste it here, and before the Azure I have to mention this Python, okay, Python 3, sorry, Python 3 not, Python -m, and this, and press enter. And here you see that Azure agentic coding assistant, okay. And after that, here you see that it has scanned the code base, and it is also telling me, let me zoom it little bit so that you can see. It is telling me the scan code base and 13 files indexed. Now it is your turn to ask any question. Now if I write that explain this code base, okay, explain this code base. Now if I press enter, here you see that Azure will start working and it will explain me the code base. And now here you see that this is a thing, and okay, so the user asked me to explain the code base and blah blah blah. And if I want to go for the chat mode, let me show you that also. Again type Python -m and press this Ager minus model and this decoder, and instead of agent I will write this chat. Okay, so press enter, and here you see that agentic coding assistant Ager, and now it is asking me that what do you want. So explain this code base or something like what is HTML, because I am doing that, I am in the chat mode. So what is AI? If I press enter, and here you see it is thinking, and now here you see that I need to explain what is AI in a simple way. Let's see. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it is writing many things, blah blah blah, right? So that means it is working. Now let me close it. Now if I ask it any other things, and here you see that I have asked it that explain this code base, and after thinking it has found that there is a directory structure. The main folder has the src public and package.json at the root. I know that src usually contains the source code, and inside that src there is an app folder. So if I show the structure, here you see that all of these things are there, and it has found the context of the whole code base, and it is now accessing it, and it is explaining me step by step process. Okay, and here you see that the explanation is actually clear to us. So that means it is fully interactive terminal that we got, and good AI agent also. Okay, so you can try with this, because this decoder is completely free, or you can use any other models that is also completely free, and you will get the best output, I think. Because if you see that for the Cline or Root code, you will not get such a details output in that, and I will recommend you to use this AI agent Ager, because in case of Cline or Rucoder, you will find that you will not get such a details explanation or such a detailed output from them. So in that case, I think this AI coding agent will help you. Okay, now let me close it here, and after that let me show you that how to use it with the Gemini, because they have also mentioned that you can use this with the Gemini. Let me show you that things where they have mentioned. Yes, is Olama for local models and Google API key for the Gemini models. For Gemini we have a popular model Gemini 2.5 Pro, so we will try with that. Now what I will do that I will go my terminal, and here you see that I have created one .env file. So in the root folder, create one .env file on the left hand side you see, and inside that write in this way: Google underscore generative underscore AI underscore API key equals to the API key. So how will you get that API key? So for that, go to this AI Studio Google. Okay, and here if you don't have account, just make an account, and here you see that get API key, and here you will find this create API key option, and a pop-up will be appear. Select this Gemini API, click on this create API key in the existing project. I have already created my own, and so just copy that and paste it here. Now after that, what you will do that open your terminal, and just run these things. Let me show you. So write this Python hyphen minus m Azure hyphen hyphen model Gemini Pro agent. Okay, and here you see that now it is using this Gemini Pro. This model name is Gemini Pro, and all of these things. Okay, so please try this model, and please try this AI agent in your terminal. I hope you will get the better output, and please try it. Let me know your thought that how much help you are getting from this AI agent. And if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because yesterday I also made a video on this Open Codex. This was also an AI coding agent like the OpenAI Codex CLI, And also this Azure also same like the OpenAI Codex CLI, but you know that this Azure is different and OpenAI is different. They have different this technique to build the AI agent. So if you use this Azure or this Codex CLI, then you will understand that what is the difference between them. So please use that and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe this, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.